Have you ever pondered the workings of homeopathy? How those tiny, seemingly inconsequential sugar pellets can pack in such a punch? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of homeopathic remedies and their creation. Before we begin, let's get some clarity. What is homeopathy exactly? This alternative medicine system, conceived by Samuel Hahnemann in the late 18th century, has garnered worldwide acclaim. The intriguing like cures like or similia similibus curentur concept lies at this concept implies that a substance causing certain symptoms in a healthy person can serve as a remedy for a sick person experiencing similar symptoms. So how do these seemingly insignificant sugar pellets, known as homeopathic remedies, come into existence? Stay with us as we unravel the mystery behind these tiny but potent healers. Now, let's delve into the intriguing process of how homeopathic remedies are crafted. The journey begins with the creation of the mother tincture, a potent concoction brimming with a fundamental ingredient, which can originate from plants, minerals, or animal substances. This essence is either steeped in alcohol or mechanically ground into dry milk sugar or lactose to create minuscule particles. The following phase, which unmistakably defines homeopathy, is known as potentization. This technique involves controlled dilutions and succussions, vigorous shakes of the solution. The practice of consistently diluting and shaking the mother tincture with a mixture of alcohol and water is a vital part of the process. Homeopathic theories that the more a substance is diluted and succussed, the more potent it becomes. While this may seem contrary to conventional wisdom, it's rooted deeply within homeopathic beliefs. As a result, you might encounter a remedy so diluted that no trace of the foundational ingredient remains. Yet, according to homeopathy, it's still effective due to the memory of the water or alcohol used in the dilution process. Recent research in homeopathy suggests that during the grinding and succussion stages, tiny nanoparticles are created. These particles are believed to retain electromagnetic fields and optical signals in the water-alcohol mix used for dilution, thereby boosting the effectiveness of the remedy. These potentized solutions or dilutions are then added to sugar pellets, ensuring that each pellet is thoroughly saturated. The consumption of these pellets is thought to ignite a fascinating process. Current theories propose that these pellets may stimulate the body's innate healing capabilities, encouraging it to self-repair and rejuvenate, and aiding it in returning to a state of health. So, what has today's exploration unveiled? We've grasped that homeopathic remedies are crafted using a distinctive procedure of dilution and succussion. The very essence of homeopathy, like cures like, was unraveled, highlighting the use of profoundly diluted substances to trigger the body's inherent healing mechanisms. We delved into the influential theory suggesting that augmenting and succussion of a substance enhance its potency. We concluded by underlining the paramount necessity of correctly choosing the remedy that must be in complete harmony with the individual symptoms to ensure the treatment the bull's eye. And lastly, we have observed the transformation of these potent mixtures into sugar pellets for effortless ingestion. Remember, homeopathic remedies have a broad scope of use, spanning from first aid purposes to the management of enduring health disorders. They form a crucial component of an all-inclusive health approach that takes into account the individual in their entirety, inclusive of their lifestyle and overall well-being. Ponder over the intricate journey these minute sugar pellets have undertaken the next time you dissolve them under your tongue. Each minuscule pellet embodies a profound chronicle of philosophical ideologies, intricate manufacturing procedures, advancements in science, and formidable healing capabilities. Despite its humble appearance, it's a vital aspect of a healing tradition that's withstood 2 centuries worth of challenges. Modern research confirms their potential to aid the body in self-healing by stimulating the body's defensive mechanisms to function with increased efficiency, thereby tackling disease processes. As we wrap up, let's appreciate the versatility of homeopathic remedies, indispensable role in a comprehensive health approach, and the extraordinary voyage from inception to the remedy nestling in our grasp. Truly, it's an intriguing journey.